Now we will discuss about the concentration of ore or the extraction of aluminium by using Bayer's process, and this process is very important from the examination point of view. So this process involves certain steps. First step is the conversion of impure bauxite to sodium aluminate. This is the first step. Then the second is the conversion of sodium aluminate to aluminium hydroxide. Okay, and then the next step is the conversion of AlOH whole thrice to pure alumina by heating on AlOH whole thrice. Okay, so these are the three main steps involved in the Bayer's process, and this is the frequently asked question in the board exam, that what are the three steps involved in the Bayer's process, or the three main reaction you have to write of this process. Okay, so first is the conversion of impure bauxite to sodium aluminate. Okay, so impure bauxite means Al2O3 dot 2H2O, that is an amphoteric oxide. So when it will react with sodium hydroxide, that is a concentrated solution, or you can say a base. Okay, so when they both will react at the temperature from 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, it will form sodium aluminate, that is a salt, that is 2 NaAlO2 plus water, 3 molecules of water. So this is the first step. Okay, then the second step is the conversion of sodium aluminate to aluminium hydroxide. The product which we got in the first step, that is sodium aluminate, that is now converted to aluminium hydroxide. How? When sodium aluminate means that NaAlO2, it reacts with water at the temperature 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. It will form sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and AlOH whole thrice as precipitate. Okay, that is aluminium hydroxide. Now see, this NaAlO2 is diluted with H2O. This will diluted with H2O, and crystals of AlOH whole thrice are added to it. Okay, then it will further precipitate out AlOH whole thrice, and the process is known as seeding. Okay, so that process of precipitation is known as seeding. Then after agitation, the insoluble AHOS thrice is filtered out. Okay, after the precipitation we will filter out AlOH whole thrice, and it will be dried. Then the last step of Bayer's process is the conversion of AlOH whole thrice to pure alumina. Okay, how? Heat on AlOH whole thrice. Okay, means whatever aluminium hydroxide we got in the second step, that will be converted to the pure alumina. Okay, so this aluminium hydroxide at temperature 1100 degrees Celsius, it will form pure alumina and water molecule, that is in the form of vapors. Okay, then precipitated AlOH whole thrice is ignited, means heated, and it will give pure alumina. So this is the Bayer's process and the three main steps of the Bayer's process. In the exam they can ask you these equations, right? These three equations involved in the process of the concentration of ore by using Bayer's process. Okay, so study it in detail.